Security Bank PLDT Online Bills Payment. How to pay your PLDT bills via Security Bank mobile app online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So, gamit ko ngayon yung cellphone ko and na-install ko na rin yung Security Bank mobile app. Kung hindi mo pa ito na-install, you can download this from Play Store or App Store. So, I'll go ahead and open this. And I'll log in with my user ID and password. So, ito na yung loob ng online account ko with Security Bank. To start with the payment, I'll tap this 3 lines sa taas. And tap Bills. And for From, I'll choose yung account na magagalingan ng pera. So, ito na siya. Next, sa Biller, I'll choose PLDT. And for product, piliin natin dito is yung PLDT ulit. For account, ito yung account number mo sa PLDT. Sa bill, andito siya sa part na to. So, i-enter ko dito yung PLDT account number ko. And for the amount, i-enter ko dito yung amount na kailangan kong bayaran. And for scheduling, hindi ko muna siya i-enable yung scheduling for now. Pero ang ibig sabihin nito is kung gusto mong automatic monthly magbayad ng bills sa PLDT gamit yung Security Bank, pwede mo siyang i-enable. And ilagay mo lang dito yung schedule niya. Pwede mo ring itap yung enable recurring, like paulit-ulit siya. Dito sa frequency, pwede kong palitan ng monthly. Ganyan. So, pero for now, I'll tap off and off this. Hindi ko muna i-enable yung scheduling na option. And I'll tap confirm payment. And I'll tap this again. And may na-receive na akong text or SMS from Security Bank about the confirmation of this transaction. And also, i-save ko na rin tong transaction or reference ID na to, itong BP-2020 and so on. This will serve as my proof na binayaran ko yung PLDT bill ko through my Security Bank. So, I'll monitor kung magre-reflect nga siya sa PLDT. Andito ako sa PLDT online account ko. Nagbayad ako noong May 4 and nag-reflect na rin yung payment ko dito sa PLDT account ko. And that's it. If you can think of other videos na pwede naming ituro online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And please let us know kung nakatulong tong video na to by clicking the like button. May iba pa kaming videos about online bills payment. You can also check this. And also, if in case you're interested, may mga videos din kami about money investment. You can start investing sa maliit na halaga. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.